So this is the next question we have. It's given mod of x plus 3 is less than 4, mod of x minus 3 is less than 4, and we have to figure out the relationship between x and 2, right? I think before starting on, I would like to tell, I've told this before also, that if mod A is less than B, then A is greater than minus B and less than B. Then A is greater than minus B and less than B. So this should be very clear. Okay. So let's take this. Mod of this is less than 4. That means x plus 3 is greater than minus 4 and less than 4, right? And this means that x minus 3 is greater than minus 4 and less than 4. I think these two things should be absolutely clear. Now let's subtract 3 on all the sides. So minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7, right? Minus 4 minus 3 is minus 7 is less than, this becomes x. 4 minus 3 is 1, right? Similarly over here, we add 3 on all the sides. So minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. This becomes x, and this becomes 4 plus 3, 7. So you have one part as this, and you have one part as this, right? Shouldn't be an issue. Now, if we plot it on the number line, just to make it easy to understand, minus 7, minus 1, 1, and 7, right? So this part of the solution is between minus 7 and 1. So minus 7 and 1 is this, right? And this part of the solution is between minus 1 and 7. Minus 1 and 7 is this, so this. So the only common solutions between both of them is this part, right? So basically, the only common part between them is this part, right? So that means x belongs to minus 1 to 1. I don't think there should be any problem in this, right? So that means x can have a value between minus 1, greater than minus 1, and less than 1, right? So either case, any value of x you take, it will always be less than 2, right? You take any value of x between minus 1 and 1, the value of x will always be less than 2. That means 2 will always be greater. That means 2 will always be greater. So your answer becomes B, because 2 is always greater for any value of x you take between minus 1 and 1. I hope this is clear.